Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to recover and repair accidentally deleted MBR boot partition. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list space, vol. There is no system volume. Type list space, part, there is no system partition. Type create space, part space, primary space, size equal to 50. Type list space, part. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Assign, active. Type assign space, letter equal to M. Find your Windows installed drive, in my case D drive is Windows installed drive. Type bcd boot space, d colon / Windows space, /s space, m colon space, /f space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.